Hey everybody, we're at the Big Hollow parking area this morning and we're gonna hike up over Blackhead Mountain today. Possibly, we're gonna see there might be some ice and stuff in our way when we get near the top. But we'll find that out later. Anyway, thanks for joining us.
Yeah, we get to continue onward.
Yeah, it's nice.
Way to go.
Nice out. Now that we're warmed up a little bit, what do you think? I think it's like 50 something. I think I need to take my hat off.
Really?
Let some of this heat out of my body.
You look like you are starting to sweat.
I sweat easy.
This is just a preview for what's Blackhead. We're seeing ice. We're gonna go all the way up there where it's colder and shaded. We're gonna slip and fall.
So we're 0.8 miles to the top of Blackhead now. This is going to be the hardest part now. This is where it starts getting really steep. And we just took a little break here at the trail junction. And we're going to give her a shot. If there's no big ice and snow up there, we make it to the top. Otherwise, we'll be coming back the same way. But we'll see. So far, it's been pretty nice. Temperature feels like it's been dropping a little. Well, of course, we're up in altitude, so it feels a little cooler here. But as long as you're moving, you're keeping warm, that's for sure. Alright, so we are probably somewhere around 3,500 feet now. And taking a little breather here. Nice outlook right here, pretty good view. So far so good. We've had a couple little patches of ice, but nothing major yet. Looks like Tyler's getting ready to have something to eat. I could have got it for you. I know what a pain in the ass is taking the pack off and putting it back on. What do you got? Chicken ramen? Oh
Yeah.
no, Atante chicken.
Yeah, spicy chicken.
Oh, nice.
And I came for Nature Valley Apple Crisp Bar.
Good job.
This is no way an endorsement. I just really like them. I'm not getting paid to say that.
Not yet. Really steep right there, a lot of rock. We're getting some snow and ice now. We're making it though. We're getting near the top. Right now I think it's easier to go on up to the top and over because the other way down is a little bit gentler than this. This is really something here. It's a real workout. A lot of rock scrambling.
The good news is we only have to go right over there.
Holy mackerel.
Right, where to grip.
I gotta watch this camera. Help! Where are we going? Oh, that way.
Yeah. Well, we couldn't continue if that. We had to go with that ice.
Oh. So far, so good, guys.
I think this is the hard part.
This was the hardest part, I believe, right here. It's getting colder here, and it's getting a lot icier, and the ground is a lot harder. There's a lot less to grip on. But we're almost to the top, I think. Pretty close. Alright guys, I just took 2 falls right in a row here on the easier part of the hill, but it is getting a lot icier right here. Yeah, not real big falls. Kind of fell flat on my face 2 times. Kind of bumped my finger, jammed my finger a little bit on the first fall, and then I hit my knee on the second fall. But I'm okay, and I gotta take my pack off because my water bottle and my tripod down there fell out, and it's right. I was holding the water bottle and the tripod because I had to get them back in the pack, and I didn't want to throw them up the hill because if they fell, they're going to go way the heck down the hill. I don't want to go back down there. So anyway, we're going to get regroup here and continue on. We're almost up there. I believe we're getting pretty damn close. Got to be. I think we're through the worst of it. What do you have to say for yourself, Tyler?
What I have to say? I had to say it was quite a hike. There's a few sketchy moments back there with all the ice. I'm looking forward to see what the other half of the mountain has, because I'm hoping it got enough sun to melt all the ice so it's easy to get down. Other than that, I'm feeling pretty good.
All right, guys. The last little piece till we get to the top here. Tyler's already up there. He beat me. Whew. Blackhead Mountain. So we finished our hike up. We did a total of 4.7 miles and 1,794 feet, or 61 feet, something like that. And we had a great day. A little bit of ice. I did fall down a couple times on the ice, but not in a bad place, at least. Not on the steep terrain where I would have went tumbling down the hill.
No.
But yeah, I had a good time.
I did too.
Yeah.
I saved my trekking pole. I almost lost it down the mountain.
Yeah. He had a good save. He dropped his trekking pole and caught it with the other one. That was a good save, or else he would have had to backtrack down the hill to get it. But
rolled my ankle a couple times.
Yeah. Yeah, we haven't been hiking in about a month, so it was a little rough for me today, especially coming back down. It's the downhill part that's the hardest, I think.
Definitely.
It's hardest on my body anyway. Now going up, of course, I have to keep catching my breath. So anyway.
I like uphill better.
Yeah, uphill.
I feel like I have more control uphill.
Yeah, I'll agree with that for sure. Anyway, guys, we do appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you on the next video. Everybody take care, be well. Bye for now.